Morning students, I am your math teacher Kiran Singh. Today we will study worksheet 7 of chapter 7 algebraic identities. Our question is factorize the following expressions. Here you can see x square plus 14x plus 33. It is an expression. All of you knowing the definition of expression. Definition means it is a combination of variables and constant. Here you can see x is a variable and 14 is a constant. So, a definition of expression is it is a combination of variables and constant connected with fundamental operations. Fundamental operations are plus, minus, multiplication and division, and here we have to factorize it. How we can factorize it? At first try to understand the concept. It is very important. Here we can see it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here you can see a, b, c are constant, where a, b, c are constant. Here you can see with x square we can write 1 into x square. So coefficient of x square equal to 1, coefficient of x equal to 14, and c is constant term and the value of c is 33. All of you knowing the meaning of coefficient. Coefficient means the constant number written with variable are called its coefficient. How we can factorize it? At first we will multiply the constant term of a and c. What we will do? At first we will multiply the constant terms of a and c. The constant term with x square is 1. So we can write 1 into 33 equal to we will get 33. Now we will break or we will find the prime factorization or we will try to break it in this way that if we will add it then we should get the middle term, and if we will multiply it then we should get the last term or the product. We will try to factorize it. 33. We can write 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. If you will multiply it, product equal to 3 into 11 equal to 33 equal to, you can see, last term or product of a and c, and if you will add it, sum 3 plus 11 equal to 14. Here you can see 14 is given. So always you have to keep this thing in your mind. You will break a into c in this way that if you will add then you should get the middle term, and if you will multiply then you should get the product of a into c. I think now all of you understood how we will do. So we can write x square plus 3x plus 11x plus 33. Now from here we can take x as common, x plus 3. Now we will write plus 9. From here we can take 11x common, 11 3s are 33. So we will write x plus 3. Now one thing more very important, when you will factorize it then always you will get this term and this term should be always equal. If you will not get equal terms then it means you are doing some mistakes. Okay, so we can write common terms, we will write only once, x plus 3, and then from here what is left? X is left, so we will write, and from here 11 is left, so we will write 11. In this way we have done question number 1. Similarly we can do all questions. It is our rough work. Now we will do our question number 2. From here we will do our question number 2 is y square minus y minus 6. Here also we will multiply 1 into 6, we will get 6. 2 3 ja 6. And if we will add minus 3 plus 2 equal to, we will get minus 1, and minus 1 into y equal to, we will get minus y, And if we will multiply it, minus 3 into 2 equal to minus 6. Minus 6. And here you can see minus 6 is given. So we can write y square minus 3y plus 2y minus 6. From here we can take y as common. Y minus 3. From here we can take 2 as common. Y minus 3. Again we will write the common part or common term. Y minus 3, y plus 2. It is our required answer. Y minus 3. It is first factor and it is second factor. Now we will do question number 3. Our question number 3 is x square plus x minus 72. 72. We can write 8 9 just 72. And if we will add 8 plus minus 9, then we will get how much? X. So we will write x plus 9x minus 8x minus 72. We will take x as common. X plus 9 minus 8 we will take as common. X 8 9 ja 72. So we can write x plus 9 into x minus 8. In this way we have completed our question number 3 also. Now we will do our next questions. Our question number 4 is x square plus 12x plus 37. Sorry, 37 is not given, 27 given. It is 27. Now we will multiply 1 into 27. We can write 27. 3 9 ja 27. 3 3 ja 9. You can say 3 3 ja 9. 9 plus 3 12 and 9 3 ja 27. So we can write x square plus 3x plus 9x plus 27. From here we can take x as common. X plus 3. From here we can take 9 as common. Ax plus 9 3 ja 27. Now we can write ax plus 3 into x plus 9. Now we will do our question number 5. Our question number 5 is y square plus y minus 132. Here you can see 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6. 3 11. Here you can see 3 2 are 6, 6 2 are 12. 12 plus minus 11 equal to we will get y. And if you will multiply 12 into 11, then you will get 132. So we can write y square plus 12y minus 11y minus 132. Here I am writing 12y minus 11y, but if you want then you can write 12y plus in bracket you can write 11y, and if you will simplify it then you will get 12y plus minus 11y. I have written here. That's why I have written here. From here we can take y as common. Y plus 12 minus 11 y plus 12. So our answer will be y plus 12 into y minus 11. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is x square plus 11x plus 30. Now we will multiply 30 into 1. We can write 30. 2 15 2s are 30. 3 5s are 15. Here you can see 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5 11 and 6 5s are 30. X square plus 6x plus 5x plus 30. We can write, we will take x as common. X plus 6 plus 5 into x plus 6. So we can write x plus 6 into x plus 5. Now we will do question number 7 also. I hope all of you understanding very well. Question number 7. Our question number 7 is x square minus 11x minus 42. Again we will multiply 42 into 1 equal to 42. We can write 2 2s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21. Now we can see 7 2s are 14, 14 plus minus 3 equal to 11, and next 14 3s are 42. So we can write x square minus 14x plus 3x minus 42. Why I have given minus sign in 14? Why I have not given in 3? Because here given minus 11, and all of you knowing that if we will simplify it minus 14 plus 3x, then only we will get minus 11. If we will write plus 14 minus 3x, then we will get 11x, but here in question given minus 11x, so we will write minus 14 plus 3x. From here we can take x as common, x minus 14 plus 3, x minus 40. Now we can write x minus 14 into x plus 3. Now we will do our question number 8. Z square minus 12z plus 27. 27 we can write 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 plus 3. It means minus 9z minus 3z we can write. Z square minus 9z minus 3z plus 27. From here we can take z as common. Z minus 9 minus 3 z. 3 9s are 27. Z minus 9 into z minus 3. In this way we have completed till question number 8. Now we will do question number 9 also. P square minus 5p minus 6. We will multiply 6 into 1 equal to 6 and 2 3 is 6. Now we can write minus 2p minus 3p equal to minus 5p, and if we will multiply minus 2 or 3, we will get how much? 6. But if we will do it, then there will be mistake. If we will multiply minus 2 into minus 3, we will get plus 6, but here given minus 6. So we can break it in the form of 6 1 is 6. And if you will add minus 6 plus 1, then you will get minus 5p. And if you will multiply minus 6 into 1, then you will get minus 6. So we will write p square minus 6p plus p minus 6. In this way we cannot do. P minus 6, from here we can take 1 as common. P minus 6. From here you can see both are same. P minus 6 into P plus 1. Now our question number 9 is also completed. Now we will do our question number 10. Question number 10 is P square plus P minus 56. Now we will multiply 56 into 1, then we will get 56. 28 2s are 56. 14 2s are 28, 7. Now how we can get? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8. 7 जा 56, and if we will subtract 8p minus 7p, then we will get p. So we can write p square plus 8p minus 7p minus 56. p plus 8, 7 8 ja 56. So we can write p plus 8 into p minus 7. In this way we have completed our question number 10 also. Now we will do question number 11. Our question number 11 is x square minus 8x minus 65. We can write 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, and 13 minus 13 plus 5, then we will get minus 8. X square minus 13x plus 5x minus 65. X minus 13, x 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. So we can write x minus 13 into x plus 5. Now we will do question number 12. X square plus 8x plus 15. Now we will factorize 15. 3 5 ja 15, and 3 plus 5 equal to 8, and 5 3 ja 15. So we can write x square plus 3x plus 5x plus 15. Now we can take x as common. X plus 3, 5. X plus 3. X plus 3 into x plus 5. In this way we have completed question number 12 also. In next video we will do the next question. Thank you students for watching me.